All right, we are over at 14001 Shaker and 14005 Shaker. This side-by-side duplex is on a large triangular lot. There is a front driveway and a rear 4-car garage. We're gonna step inside this brick home that looks like a single-family house. Inside the foyer of common area, you have your mailbox slots, 2 individual heaters. That's 1405's foyer. We're gonna go into 1401 first. One nice thing is you get this nice deep closet off the foyer when you enter into the home. Hardwood everywhere. We'll go upstairs here in a bit. But as you can see, this is a large open space. One thing is this has been freshly repainted. We've got a lot of new cabinetry, countertops, refinished old floors, some newer interior floors, new light switches, new outlets. As you can see, it shows really nice. Here we're in the breezeway leading to the garage. So just to give you an idea of this real quick. We've got a 2-car garage in here. It does connect to the other 2-car garage for the other unit. Checking out the rest of the first floor. We do have a half bath located right here. And then what also is nice is you've got your own basement that you don't have to share with the other side. As you can see here, washer and dryer would go down here. It does have that, be-dry system with the sump pump. The sump pumps are new, but they're dry, and it's raining today. So just to point that out. Upstairs, we're going to find 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. As you can see, the front yard, massive space if you want to play games, hang out, have fun. Really nice side yard over here. The side yard on 14005 is even larger. Here's a closet. That's a walk-in to the attic upstairs. Here is a full bathroom with a linen closet. This bedroom has a closet over there, another closet in here. Smaller room, but what's nice is you have your own vanity and toilet. And then this is the flat roof for the breezeway and the 4-car garage. We'll go over to 14005 Shaker Boulevard now. So over here, it's pretty duplicate. Got the nice deep storage closet. We'll go upstairs here in a bit. You can see part of the driveway right there. This side yard is pretty large. Looking at the updated kitchen right there. We're in the breezeway right now. We'll come back to the kitchen in a sec. I want to point something out here. So you can see the connection door to the other 2-car garage, but what else is really cool here? It's raining right now, so it's going to be a little loud, but I don't know if you want to call this a smoking porch or just a porch to hang out on. But as you can see, look at your big side yard here, and then you can see the rear driveway with tons of extra space if some friends come over and you need to park, or if it's a multi-generational home and you're looking for a lot of extra space for additional cars. Checking out the kitchen. And you got a half bath. Your own basement for storage or whatever you need. Once again, it's got that be-dry type system with sump pumps that are dry but brand new. This side does have a higher efficient furnace. And a hot water tank sitting there as well. Great thing about seeing homes on wet days, if there is a problem, you're going to notice it. Take a look upstairs. There's a little difference on this unit compared to 14001. Same big room here, but one unique thing. This one has a closet light and some more hooks and places to hang clothes on. Another walk up to the attic. There's cinder block in between separating the two units. Another storage closet for this bedroom. This one does not have a closet in the corner, and this one's a little unique because it's got the toilet and a shower. You can see the flat roof and smoking porch over there. Your full bath with a linen closet. If you have any questions or would like to know more information, feel free to reach out.